how to fix your mobile hotspot not visible or it's not turning on your Samsung phone. Let's start. First of all, you'll have to open your phone settings, and then you can go to the connections. It's the very first option right here. You open your connection settings. Now if I try to go on mobile hotspots and tethering, as you can see, it is not letting me turn on my mobile hotspot. Why is this? It's because if I pull down my notification panel, you can see here is a triangle icon on my status bar. This means my data saver is turned on. So we will have to turn off our data saver in order to turn on mobile hotspot. To do that, you just go to your connection settings and then go to data uses. After you open it, as you can see, the very first option is data saver. If I click on it and just toggle it off, the data saver is now off. So if I go back again to my mobile hotspot and tethering, now you can see I can easily turn on my mobile hotspot. So the reason your hotspot might not be turned on is because your data saver is turned on. So after you turn it off, you can turn on your mobile hotspot. And that's how you can fix the problem. Thanks for watching.